Hi guys, welcome. I just received Tonic Craft Kit number 43 yesterday. It's funny because by the time they ship them out to us regular people that buy them, they've already introduced next month's boxes, kits, and then I end up getting confused because they've already introduced 44, which is a Christmas theme one. So when I opened this one, it was like, wait, that doesn't seem right. But it is. So this one, let's open it up, is called it says Sending Love and Thanks, but I'd swear it said it was blue something. I don't know. Anyway, the theme is blue. So let's look at what we get. This one we've got an Arctic Blast glitter marker. And let's get some scissors. This is Azure hearts, confetti, so they're blue hearts. This is something different that I've never had. It's the Nuvo Expanding Mousse. So that should be interesting. And it's in a kind of silver, it says gray matter, which gray matter sounds to me like brain, but what do I know? It says add a texture distress 3D effect using a heat tool. So I guess we use a heat tool and it expands. And then there is gilding flakes. In silver. This is Mr. Nuvo Sparkle Spray. I don't think I've used Sparkle Spray before. In Marine Mist, which is a real pretty pearly color. And then this one is Nuvo Dream Drops. Add dimensional iridescent details to craft projects. And I don't think I've ever used the Dream Drops before. This is Frosted Lake. It's a real soft, iridescent, light blue with a little bit of gold in it. So that's pretty. And then the Nuvo Tweezers, which look pretty sharp pointed there. So let's look at the paper that comes with this kit. So let's see if we can get this one right. Classic card. Nope, that's not classic card. So let's see. Whatever they are, they're very pretty. Okay, maybe we should go in this direction. All right, so I think that's a classic card in Misty Gray. This one should be Classic Card in Ocean Blue. And their Classic Card has a texture on one side and not on the other. This should be Mirror Card Tidal Wave. Mirror Card Silver Chrome Silver. Nope. That must be this one. There we go. That's definitely Mirror Card. Glitter Card. Here we go. In Turquoise Lake, which is such a pretty color. Such a pretty color. Specialty Card, Jungle Fever. It's got to be that one. That is so pretty. Hopefully you can see the texture of that one. Pearlescent Lunar Silver. That must be that one. And Specialty Paper Arctic Ice. And Arctic Ice has little kind of squares in it. So that's the paper. That's pretty. And then the most important part is the dies. And so we've got frames. We've got a frame. We've got corners here and here. The frame, so there's two different frames. So there's this one here that has the heart at the top, and then it has rectangles. And you cut, and then you flip it and cut the other side. And then there's this one, which is like a filigree. And then these little things say something. I don't know what. Let's see. I can't read it on here either. This one says something. I don't know. They don't make it easy to read. And then let's look at the other ones. All right, so this is another big frame. Some oval. And then more, there's a plain kind of scalloped border. This one has like a sewing pattern, stitches. And then this is a larger one, and then the smaller ones, there's the filigree up here, and then the open right there. And I am looking here on the card. So it shows this one with the rectangles, special wishes. This one, I have no idea what it says. But you can change what it says inside, evidently, obviously. It has 3 different ones that you can interchange with. And then the stamps say, for someone special, special wishes, thinking of you, sending love and thanks. I can read this one, made with love. And then it's got the filigree, and then the rectangles just like these here. That kind of matches the same. And then this one here. So I think it's a pretty good set. They call it Deco Frames and Corners Die and Stamp Set. Exclusive die and stamp. So that's it for number 43. This is the third one that I've gotten, and I've been pretty happy with all of them. I've been busy, and truthfully, I have not gotten a chance to use them, but I'm going to do that, and as soon as I do, I will be posting a video on them. If you belong to the Tonic Craft Kit and you watch this, leave me a comment and let me know whether you've used yours and how you liked it. That's it for today. So as always, thanks for taking the time to watch. I appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, I'd appreciate if you would do that too. Just getting, started doing this. I've had some good response so far, but it's a long road to, get people to recognize you and to watch. So if you have subscribed, thank you. If you're thinking about it, I would appreciate it. So until the next time, stay safe and well. Happy crafting, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.